Hi all, welcome again. And this video I'm going to show you a demo of Diagnostic Medical Center. This kind of hospital management you can say, or also we can say a clinic management for the doctor. So there are many roles, different users are there. So uh, let's understand the role first. Then we'll move to the technology. Okay, let's discuss a bit about the technology first. So as a technology, it's using a Spring Boot with JSP tiles, Bootstrap. Uh, Also, you can check the link in the description box so you will get the complete detail about the tools and technology. Just flip to my STS tool, and here you can see it's following the embassy architecture, following the Maven tool to manage the dependency. It's following its Maven project. Also, it's using Spring Boot for the server side. For the deployment side, we are using Tomcat server. And to manage the backend records, backend transactions, it's using Hibernate. And to store the data, it's using Mysql. Okay, if I flip to my Mysql and I close all the tabs, okay, yeah, and I go to my DMC database, Diagnostic Medical Center, and when I right click on the user table and view the data, you can see in this common table there are different role IDs are there. So now the role will be divided according to the ID, right? The first option we have as an admin here. So there are four type of role into the database. So role ID 1 always will be the for the role ID 1 always will be for the admin. Similarly, role ID 2 will be for the patient. And so let's see, I'm just clearing some things that will help you to understand the complete project flow. So just remember this point. Role ID 1 always will be for the admin, 2 will be for the patient, and 3 will be for the doctor, and 4th will be for the agent. So hope you have understand there are four kind of user. Now let's talk about what the user can do into the application. So admin will be the root user, and he can manage admin can manage all kind of other users and all kind of other modules. Patient is a customer that going to diagnose or that going to take a treatment for the their disease or their problems. Now doctor is going to provide a solution or treatment or test reports. Now the fourth rule is agent is going to take the customer to us and register as a appoint for the appointment and all. Or you can take this as a receptionist. Okay. Now if I move to my database, now if I see the role ID 1, and here is the user ID for the admin. So I'm going to enter my user ID here. I just hit to the login page and I'm going to enter the user ID, and in the other column we have a password here, so it's using common password, so we are using this password to log in with as an admin, and I just log in as an admin. Now let's see what admin can do. Under the user section, admin have a form to add a new agent. So let's say I enter the complete detail, I fill the form and I hit the save button. It means the agent is added, the new agent is added. Now the name is John. When I click to the view report, I can see the new uh, agent is there. Also, agent will earn the commission, so you can check the detail of their commission here. That's like admin can check the commission detail of the agent. So admin have agent have a module where he can earn the commission. So here is a detail admin can check for that admin's agent's commission. Also, it performing CRUD operations, so you can search the record here, you can delete the record, you can edit the record, all the options are there. Next option, we have a patient report. So admin doesn't going to add a new patient, but admin can view the records, admin can edit the records for the patient detail. Admin can check the detail of the doctors, available doctor in the list, also perform all the crude operation. Now we have another module which is the diagnostic services. Under this, a user can like admin can add a new diagnostic service. Let's say I fill the form, save it, and data is saved successfully. When I go and view it, I can see the new services over there. I can check the view detail, I can delete or perform the crude operation. Help report, if any user going to enter any data for the helper perspective, the admin can check his record. Admin can review the questionnaire. Admin can check all the other service reports, and admin can add a commission. Like for example, I want to add a commission for any service. So if I'm going to add an amount for this service, the commission is added, and admin can check the commission list. View the agent list, so I can view the, as an admin I can view the agent list as well. Now if I log out from this user, and let's say I'm going to log in as a role ID 2, it means role ID 2 is a patient. So what a patient can do, then we'll move to the doctor. So uh, I'm just going to enter this user ID in my login form, and here I notification. If is there kind of notification, it will show the data over there. Another option, we have a make appointment. So as a patient, I can make a appointment. So here is a one doctor into the database, that's why I'm showing only one. And let's say I enter any date or 6, let's say 26, and let's say time for the appointment, and model, click on save. My appointment is done, and now I can take the treatment on the time, and I can review my treatment. Also, if is there kind of test report the doctor is going to upload into the portal, that will display to the patient here. Treatment report feedback option is there about the doctor or the treatment, so I can add a new feedback, and I just log out as a patient. Now I'm going to log in as a doctor, and let's see what a doctor can do. I just log in as a doctor. Doctor can check the new appointment, like notification, like today you have two appointments. When I check the appointment review, I can see the new details are there. So these two appointments are approved, these are the pending. So when I view this, I can update the treatment detail. So what kind of treatment the doctor give that particular patient, so he can enter the patient detail. He can also update the test reports if it's their kind of test. Also he can edit the status as approve or pending. So let's say I approve, and after approve I add some prescription for that user. So this is the diagnostic service, let's say referral test, and click on save. Data is saved successfully. Now under the test report, I can check the available test reports, treatment reports, feedback reports, and review questionnaire. Now the last module of the application is an agent, and let's log in as an agent and what agent can do over there. So as I told you, admin is agent is going to take a business for us. So admin can make like agent can make new appointments. He can check the appointment reports, treatment feedback, commission report, and commissions. So these are the, it's not that much complex, just need to understand it. And this is the complete diagnostic medical center, so where we can perform different roles like admin, patient, doctor, and the things. Okay, now let's come to the point, and in case you need the source code, so you can contact us over the mail, WhatsApp, or Skype. So our team will help you to share the code. Also we have services to run the code at your machine, so in case you are worried about the configuration and setup, we have remote support will really help you to run the code. And in case you want to understand the internal code flow also, so you can join our training sessions or our training program. So the team will help you, or the developers will help you understand the internal code flow. Also, if you want to join a training session for the end-to-end development, you can also join the training session. Thank you.